Grammar exercise for beginners, number 12. Possessive adjectives, part 3. Number 1. Can you spell blank name? Can you? So it will be your. Can you spell your name? Susan cannot find blank pen. Susan is she, so the answer is going to be her. Susan cannot find her pen. Our uncle and aunt like blank new house. So uncle and aunt are they. So possessive adjective for they is their. Our uncle and aunt like their new house. The cat is drinking blank. Cat is an animal, so the answer is it. The cat is drinking its milk. Number 5. I must study for test. I, so possessive adjective is my. I must study for my test. Number 6. Peter is writing in exercise book. Peter is he, so answer is his. Peter is writing in his exercise book. Number 7. The children are studying for exams. The children is they, so answer is their. The children are studying for their exams. Number 8. Carol likes new skirt. Carol is she. The answer is going to be her. Carol likes her new skirt. Okay, let's read the sentences one more time. Can you spell your name? Susan cannot find her pen. Our uncle and aunt like their new house. The cat is drinking its milk. I must study for my test. Peter is writing in his exercise book. The children are studying for their exams. Carol likes her new skirt. Number 9. The dog is sleeping in hut. The dog is an animal, so the answer is it. The dog is sleeping in its hut. Number 10. I often clean bike on Saturday. So I is the subject. So possessive adjective is my. I often clean my bike on Saturday. Number 11. The children sometimes clean shoes. The children is they. So answer is there. The children sometimes clean their shoes. Number 12. The dog eat. The dogs eat. The dogs plural. Answer is there. The dogs eat their food. Number 13. We like neighbors. We, our. We like our neighbors. Number 14. I cannot repair bike. I cannot repair my bike. And number 15. Sandra always does homework. Sandra is she, so answer is her. Sandra always does her homework. Number 16. My brother always washes new car on Sunday. My brother is he, answer is his. My brother always washes his new car on Sunday. Let's read the sentences one more time. The dog is sleeping in its hut. I often clean my bike on Saturday. The children sometimes clean their shoes. The dogs eat their food. We like our neighbors. I cannot repair my bike. Sandra always does her homework. My brother always washes his new car on Sunday. Number 17. I need a pen. Can you lend your pen? Can you lend? I need your pen, so can you lend me your pen? And I need a pen. Can you lend me your pen? Number 18. Carol and Jane do not like classroom. Carol, because it's old. So Carol and Jane is they, so their classroom. Carol and Jane do not like their classroom because it's old. Number 19. Charles and Tom. So calling, when is tennis match? So when is tennis match? When is your tennis match? Plural. I want to watch it. Charles and Tom, when is your tennis match? I want to watch it. Number 20. We meet Drew and Mary in the mall. They are friends. We, so answer is our. We meet Drew and Mary in the mall. They are our friends. Okay, let's read the sentences one more time. I need a pen. Can you lend me your pen? Carol and Jane do not like their classroom because it's old. Charles and Tom, when is your tennis match? I want to watch it. We meet Drew and Mary in the mall. They are our friends.